Good morning.
So please pay attention because I am giving you some information about Indian culture. There are a lot of Indian cultures in India like Buddhists, Sikhs and Muslims. Tribal populations means those people who live in the forest. We call them Adivasi people. And some North Indian culture, West Indian culture, Eastern Indian culture, Central Indian culture and Himalayan cultures are involved in Indian cultures. First we talk about the North Indian culture. In the North Indian part, it's well known about the Kathak dance form. Kathak dance form is the North India traditional dance form. If we are talking about the North India, then we also can talk about on their meal. So they specifically eat chicken biryani and tandoori chicken. These are the special diet in their meal. And in the North India, Punjabi and the Kashmiri states are involved. So Punjabi dance form and Hindi dance form also their traditional dance forms. Next, move to the South Indian culture. South Indian culture is basically those people who plays Tamil, Telugu and Malayalam languages. In the South India, the devotional dance form is Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is specifically known for their hand gestures and intense facial expressions. Bharatanatyam is recognizes as their ancient tradition of the South India, and they celebrate Onam and Pongal festival. Next, move to the West Indian part of the West Indian culture. In the West India, they celebrate Dandiya. Dandiya is the traditional dance form and festival for the Gujarati peoples, and in India, Dandiya celebrates all over the India. They include in their meal. They are vegetarians, especially West Indian people is known for the vegetarians. They doesn't eat meat.
They less नहीं लावायचं. Stop करा. Pause करा.
Don't eat meat or anything which made by meat. In the West Indian culture is famous for forest and the gigantic film industry which is Bollywood. Bollywood is well known in culture also and the Central Indian culture also. They are well known on itself. Next, move to the eastern part of India. In the eastern culture, they celebrate Durga Puja festival, which comes in October month. Durga Puja especially celebrated by Bengali peoples. Traditional dance form is Odissi dance form, which is also well known to the world. People love Indian culture's dance form, traditional dance form. If you want to know further more about the Indian culture, then you can search it on Google or you can visit the places or states. There you will get the more information about Indian culture. So this was the information. Thank you so much for paying attention.
Good morning friends, I am Deepak and today we discuss about YouTube is really useful for everyone. First we see what is YouTube. YouTube is the social media platform where anyone can share their ideas, thoughts, things and all that. Means you can teach people, you can share your information on YouTube and you can tell people what to do and what not. A lot of people think that YouTube is for only entertainment purpose, but it is not right. YouTube is the ocean of education. Today I saw a news of one student that he passed, means he had cleared and secured a rank in JEE and CET exam by only using YouTube. And people means I can claim that people can teach, people can learn anyone from YouTube. Yes, YouTube is the best for education. YouTube is the ocean of knowledge, but this have some limitations. Means all YouTubers are not good. Means they not provide insufficient information about many topics. Means there are many topics are pending that videos are not made. Means it is now it's your turn. You can create your own channel and share information to people. And creating a channel is not a big deal. Anyone can start their channel. Means suppose you can cook good food, then you can start your cooking channel. You don't have to be a best. Means you don't have to master chef in your work. I given a small example, but you Facebook for your work, and you all know that. But still, people think that only big YouTubers get paid and they get money from YouTube. But it's not right. YouTube is a made rule for everyone. Means it is a condition that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your videos. You have to gain 100,000 of subscribers on your channel and 4,000 hours of watch time on your videos. After that, your channel will get monetized. Yes, it is difficult, but not impossible. You have to take efforts for it, and you have to be a patient. But one time your channel will get monetized, then no one can stop you. It means that true YouTuber feel confident. At that time he's the first income. It's not my experience, but all of YouTubers said that on their videos. I only appeal to you that YouTube is also a great full-time and a part-time job also. Please think about it and create your own channel. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My today's topic is thinking is good thing, but all thinking is bad. Thinking is good thing. People are thinking in this life, but why people are thinking? For example, before you start any work, so you have to think about how you want to do it. But every people are not thinking in some way. Some people are thinking negatively, and some people are thinking positively. So that these people are successful in this life because the positive thinking affect in your brain and your body are start working this way. It is not that negatively people are not successful in this life. They are also successful, but it takes a lot of time. People start thinking very more, and overthinking is harmful in our body. You are not concentrated in your work because you thinking too much. You are not concentrated in your study because the overthink are affect in your brain and you feel not better. Overthink people may go into depression. For example, you are failing in your exam, so you don't just think about it. You think in your next exam and more prepare for the next exam. This way in your life, if you fail in your life, so don't think about it. You should think in your future life and your career, but not overthink. So I think you are definitely success. Some students are not studying and they are just thinking about the paper being more difficult and how the paper will go. So they are not concentrated in their studies and unfortunately they are failed. All great scientists are so thoughtful in their activities. So think only as much as need to, because the thinking is good thing and overthinking is really bad thing. Why do you think? Don't worry, be happy, have a great time. How are you doing? That's right. Nice.
So here I am Yogeshwari. I am going to give a short talk about goal setting. In this session I will talk why goal setting, why people don't set goals, and how to set goals, 7 steps that you can use to achieve your goals, and smart key of goal setting. Hope I am sure that you will get some knowledge after this.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Aishwarya Patil and I am giving you some info about time management. So first of all, in our daily life, we waste a lot of time and it flows like a river from our life and it never flows backward. So we don't have any bank to save our time we previously wasted. If you have any questions, feel free to interrupt me. Daily life of your time in 15 minutes of a segment. So how many time you spend watching TV? How many time you spend talking to your friends? How many time you needed for a lunch and breakfast? So this is important for divide your goals in a 15 minute or in a hours of a segment. So set a goals. Most important things for the time management is to setting the goals. Set goals daily, weekly, and then you need to prioritize your things. Do you know about law of priority? So what is the time of law of priority?
Priority means how many times we ask for priority to do any other work. Priority means give priority to the work with the time management.
Thank you for giving answers. So you need to prioritize your things in things or activities in 4 types of 4 types. First is a less important, less urgent. Second one is the most important, less urgent. Third one is the most important, most urgent. And the last one is the less important, most urgent. So you have to prioritize your activities in the most important and most urgent things. You need to give a proper and all your attention to that kind of things. Make a schedule in which we include the most important and most urgent things. Fourth one is a juggle and a delegate. First of all, you have to admit that you are not a superhuman or a superwoman. So you can't do all kinds of things at one time. You can't juggle every task at the same time. No matter how you try hard to get that thing all things at one time, you can't do it. So make a task and one kind of a task. Saying no is not bad. If you are saying no to anything, that is not bad, because you are doing really great job to get your task properly. Keep a schedule. Once you prioritize your things, you need to schedule that in your timetable. Maximize your rewards. 80 and 20% is 100%. If you are doing 80% of activities and getting 20% of rewards, you need to turn it upside down. Because be smart and do the 20% of activities and get 80% of rewards. Self-management. Time management is a self-management. Manage ourselves according to the time. 80-20% rule is a rule of output and input. If you are getting 80%, if you are doing 80% of input, then you have to get a 20% of output from it, and it is a work of a key. So what we learn from this section, so set a proper goals and make a clear vision to it. Then set a deadlines and sub deadlines to your schedule. Decide a specific time to work on each course. Find and identify the obstacles and difficulties in it. Find the skills and knowledge you need for time management and goal setting. So do most important, do some kind of activity, small, big, every day, which helps you to move forward to your goals. Then maintain the momentum because of the small droplets they make a ocean. Thank you very much for listening.
Farmers are most important and valuable person of our society. I would like to say they are backbones of our society. Farmers are those persons who provide us food which we eat in our daily life. That means that each and every person directly and indirectly depends upon the farm. Farmers who work too much in the farm, but they do it with happiness, with great energy, and they enjoy their work. Farmers family are not situated under his family like wife, son, daughter, but their family also pets animal. They communicate with them. There is one news about farmers. That is not about his success or their beautiful life. It is about farmer suicide. So if farmers' life is so beautiful, then why they are committed to suicide? Their crops in their farm, and they have not to get profit. And
They are investing their money in their farm products and they are not able to get the property.
Why they are, but they also goes in loss. Then here is the second question: why they goes in loss? Why they have not to get profit from their products? Because of unwanted climate and not perfect and actual price. They have not to get actual and perfect price for the crops. Friends, we observe in our daily life when we go with our parents in jewelry shop. Then there we see our parents are not bargaining there. And if we go in market, in pulses market or in a vegetable market, there our parents bargaining. So why this difference? Because of rate fixing. In jewelry shop there is a fixed rate for the jewelry, but in vegetable market there is not fixed rate. So friends, we are the youth of our country. We have been to take one step forward towards the farmers' advantages or advantages. So thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vishal Patil. Today I would like to talk about effective presentation skill. So you just to pay attention for my presentation. Presentation is an formal talk and everyone is express his own thoughts and own ideas and own plannings front of the public or the audience. Presentation, for effective presentation, you should take some precaution like that. You maintain your eye contact with your audience, and you should be maintain your body at the straight and not any other thing like something actions. You should not take this. Between your presentation, you should set your body on the both fixed station is that everyone should present his presentation by the audience will be motivated by his presentation, and audience will be getting some ways for his courage and his life successful presentation. Voice quality is an important for presentation. If you maintain your voice quality in the presentation very well, then your audience will be concentrate you at the proper time, and at the level of the best they will be concentrated for your speech. Successful presentation makes you a perfect image in front of your audience or public, or in the whenever you will be presentation in the company, then your image will be better than other people's. Improve our voice quality is the most important point in the presentation. That is that you will just to turn around away from your audience to the whiteboards. That time you will be speak loudly. At that time, then your audience will be interesting in your speech to listening. That speed is most important in the presentation.